Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 will be unveiled on August 9th, and it will reportedly come with an upgraded S Pen that will feature some advanced controls. Noted leakster, at Ice Universe, has now claimed that the Galaxy Note 9's S Pen is a Bluetooth device that will bring some new functionalities to the stylus, such as the ability to control music playback. The Galaxy Note 9 S Pen can be used to control long-range self-timer, control music playback. Because it is a Bluetooth device, it will do something unrelated to the pen, read the tipster's recent tweet.